game. It's a rich thing.
So guys, we are here at the shop, back on Eddie's car. I don't know where we left off at. We saw the engine out and everything went to the transmission shop. Unfortunately, they could not get it apart. I don't know why, so we're gonna attempt it. Never did it before. And I'll show you guys what we got to do here. We have a lot of, I don't know if I mentioned it, but we got a lot of stuff going on with this one. I'll put the clip of his video when I did the walk around. But yeah, he needs a lot of work done, but he's gonna be started soon. Maybe work on a little bit today, we'll see, but we're focusing on this. And yeah, so let me show you guys what I got to do and I'll get back on it. All right, so I said I was gonna work on this, but then I realized if I got to show you guys what happened. I don't know if any photo, but on Eddie's transmission, where the pilot bearing goes, no, the throttle bearing goes, the shaft broke off the transmission housing. So we took the transmission guy and he was supposed to swap it with a new front housing part we got from eBay. I put the photo up here, what I'm talking about. And he's having trouble taking this apart. And then Eddie brought it here so I could give it a try. And I noticed this is just the back half. And we're just replacing the front half. So I don't know why he's taking off the back and the gears and everything. So we'll hold off on this and yeah. All right, we got last car. We're gonna be doing these hood hinges. He's probably gonna put some stock wheels on here because he sold these A-spec wheels, but he has other wheels, but he's gonna put some stock ones on for now. We're gonna try to put the fender on because his hood hinges are completely bent. So he got new ones from him. Put that on. Try to put the fender on if we can. We still might need another bracket, and then get the hood on and headlights. Finally.
Oh my goodness.
We've got the drill lights on, got the fenders, everything lined up good as we can. But oh, look at these jewels, and yep, this is Baller Tim's fender. Oh, they got your way.
Oh, let me take the sticker off first, because then you're not going to.
That's crazy.
Shoo!
I think we have to put the wheels on, and then I think that's it for today, really. Just get the wheels, stock wheels on. World's first ILX wheels on TL.
2020 ILX wheels on the TL. Does it clear the Brembo?
Wrong way. Wrong way.
No, I
Right?
did on it.
Check it. Spin it. Spin. Oh. What am I saying, that?
Because the wheel's bent.
Shouldn't be.
Not the wheel, but the... Oh, Chance just shoved it on there, that's why.
Probably.
I'm only paying him 20 bucks.
Let's take a look. Knuckles look good. What's this? Stuff's dripping.
That's a new rotor.
Okay, let's try to see what's...
Oh, damn, look what it did. It's rubbing, boy. Where's it leaking from, though? It's leaking from the caliper, I think.
No?
Oh, it's leaking right here.
I don't... Why would it go this far? That feels like brake.
I think it is. Is my tube leaking right here?
No.
My tube's not split? I got braided brake lines now, so we're good. You think my bag?
Maybe we're just left over from something.
I think it's my power steering fluid, bro. Cause the power steering pump's right here. Or, oh no, it is the brake fluid.
Yeah, but it might have just been from something else then, cause...
No, look right here. Put the light right here. Right here.
Oh, from the top you mean?
Yeah.
Here.
You see? I think it might be my master cylinder.
Whatever.
I mean, it's not bad right now. We'll fix that shit later. Where's that? Please don't fuck up my girl's wheels. Nah, I shouldn't do nothing.
It won't mess up.
It won't mess up. It should be fine. chance would have never fucked up my shit. Nope.
Don't clear?
Nope.
All right, let's try one of these.
It's too.
Put this on there.
Damn, son.
Let's see, take it out.
It's way too fucking short. Got a wheel spacer? My legs aren't long enough though.
This is fine.
Come on, bitch.
What's your issue?
The brake caliper?
No, it ain't.
Let me see.
Go up. Yep. That one's in. Is that lined up?
Wait, hold on. Does it even have the same lug pattern? Pretty sure it does, because the ILX has the same lug pattern.
Well, you put a spare on, so it
Yeah.
should.
Yeah, it does.
There you go. Tighten it up and see if it rubs. Do like 2 lugs diagonal from each other.
Yeah, it's gonna rub.
Try it.
There's no play, bro.
I didn't see.
The lugs are too short. The lugs are not.
That's Mariah's.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna close this up, right?
No. Yeah, leave it open for now. Leave it like that.
And then when I clean this and clean it up, we'll put the after dark shine works on.
All right, let's see. You move it forward and air out on this thing.
Should I throw the other wheels in the back seat? I
What
don't
other-
want to have them on my house just to sit
What,
there.
what other wheels?
The other wheels for these ones?
Oh, you can stack them on top of
I'll
this.
just throw them in the back seat.
Oh, it don't matter.
There's nobody can go back there. I'm so used to push the start, I'm pushing the brake right now.
Turn the headlights on. See, this is your high beams on? Turn it off. Turn it on. See, this high beam's not on. Well, we'll worry about it, but... Alright, you're running out of gas. Wait. Let me make sure you're good. Go this way a little bit. You're all good. Come on, let me go on this side. I want to see you air out. Go ahead. What happened? Turn it off.
Don't forget to take Eddie's battery up.
Me? Oh shit.
What?
Move it forward.
A little bit more?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Alright. So Eddie here. We just wired up his thing. Let's try to talk loud so we don't get copyrighted. Let's go out here. We got Laz over here. You should have seen what he just did. He just did the most cheapest thing ever in the world.
Fuck yeah.
Especially recorded how bad it was.
I should have took a picture of it.
Okay.
Fucking-
That's the only thing that was bent back there?
Yeah. Everything else is straight.
How about your sway bar?
Nah, the sway bar's straight, bro. Look at it. It's still good.
Maybe.
It's a little bit bent.
Maybe. I don't know how it was.
I'm gonna change it though to the progression route. But that's later. This is just for now, bro.
So you got it in there without taking off that thingy?
Nah, I'm trying to get the bolt in now. This bitch is a bitch.
Okay, we got Eddie here. We just wired up his third brake light.
Hey, over here.
Want to show him?
What's up? Yeah, let's show it. Let's show it.
All right, so you got his regular lights. Turn your regular lights on. And now turn on, hit the brake. There it is. There it is.
Oh.
Yep, nice mod. He's gonna do the first ever A-Spec lip install on the car. Done. Let's see how he does this.
What lip is this? That other one you have.
Oh, my Type S?
This Type S lip?
Yeah, this Type S.
You wanna buy it for $400? Cheap.
You got the screws for this or no? Like 10 mils?
I have the correct screws for it.
Oh, yeah?
They're not 10 mils, they're just screwdrivers.
Alright. Put it on my tab.
Oh, you're sick. Damn. I gotta restock. I must not have any more. Oh, they're right here. This is the correct screw. This is the one that's supposed to be on it.
Which one? Should I get my fat diffuser again? Oh, cool. Thank you.
You want more? I have plenty.
He decides.
Fitment's pretty good without doing a braid on tape and shit.
Well, you normally there's 3 bolts that hold it.
Oh, the zip tight ones?
No, that's for the Type S ones, but this one has 3 bolts. You drill holes in here, and it just holds it in. Whoever just set up, we did this in the garage, no, in the driveway before we got kicked out of the other place. Fuck Clovis. Fuck you, Tim. Fuck you, property manager.
He watches the video. Well, I'm living in it now.
Ah, I don't care.
Watch your mouth. We don't allow minor cuts around here.
You want more?
Yeah, but I'm not trying to drive over it. Go to here.
Look at Laz with his jewels. Is the jack jobbing?
Hey,
Just kidding. His face.
yo.
God damn. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, shiny ass wheels. Oh. God damn. We saw that. All I need is just 10 headlights. I'll be good for now. Oh, this is the right thing. Oh, David, when I hit my signals, do you know why it does this? Watch, no, look at my signals. Alright, so I'll hit the left, right? And
Okay.
then when I'm driving at night, it goes out, and then it turns back on. So is it a function?
Might be a function.
Okay, let me see. That's what I forgot.
We're all the way, yep. Osman, shout out to Osman.
Shout out to Os.
Lightsbyoss now.
Lightsbyoss.
Okay.
That's way faster.
Yep.
Go.
Good? Alright, thank you guys. I'm gonna let this save real quick.
I'm Mythik. That's like darker. That's like brighter.
I know this is hella off right. Hold on.
Okay.
Alright,
Yeah.
So look, so what was it? Brake signal or what's that called? Parking lights, huh?
That's parking.
Okay, parking lights. Alright, so that.
That one just seems more red too.
Parking lights is all the way to that dark red with that brightness. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the next one. So okay, so a little bit down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Better for you?
I don't know.
I know you're
This one
like-
looks different for some reason. I can't tell if it's
Because
because.
I know I just hate that
But
you have to
is
bend
it
the dial.
Use a stylus or
Yeah.
a DS stylus or
I can
something.
see it.
It
Yeah.
is darker because
No,
that
look.
circle.
Use your
You guys are looking
makeup
at something different.
brushes. To do
Is
it.
that more red than this side?
Yeah, it is. Alright,
I think that's why it's throwing it off.
We're gonna be here for hours.
Well, you sold these fucking lights.
Yeah, we're already good to go.
You say no strings attached, man.
Yeah.
Right there.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Where's this called?
Look the same to me, but whatever.
It looks different. Look, is it?
I think one's just brighter.
It matches the side marker too.
What?
Which one's lighter? This one's lighter?
How come the housing looks like it's clear and then this one's dark?
Oh my god.
I don't know. I don't know. I'm sorry.
I'm out of here. There you go.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I think that light is fucking with us.
Whoa.
It's lighter.
Ooh. Ah.
Wow.
Hit the brakes.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah, see, that's not crazy bright now. Yeah, that's good.
So many lights on your car now.
I need one more underneath the car.
Yeah.
This is perfect now.
Alright, so when are we gonna put white lighting in the trunk to show your setup?
You went to show mode on one.
Yeah, let me put one on. Keeps disconnecting, which I hate.
I'm hungry. Holy shit. Dim it down?
Dim it down? Yeah. Dim it.
Almost shuts off. Right there, that's good right there.
Yeah, it shows up better with camera.
This guy. I barely plugged them in. I didn't wire up the turns. I just plugged them in. Whatever was plug and play.
You're gonna hit that rock.
Air up! Is your controller on? Told you, air up. Air up! Is it on? Alright, there we go. Now come. You already ripped off. I want to see you air out. Isn't it so nice that you can park however you want in here? Are you good? Air it out. Air out. Air this bitch out. Air out. Hurry up. Everyone's waiting on you.
He's been out of the game too long, he forgot.